Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a large, flightless bird known for its incredible speed and long neck, often friendly to humans. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as ostrich, ostrich, trich, ostrich. Ostriches are known for being the fastest birds on land, capable of running at speeds up to 45 miles per hour, and for laying the largest eggs of any living land animal. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about ostriches, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.